Weekly horoscope, 31st August till 6th of September 2020. For this coming week, for all of you, all the predictions based on moon sign, all the predictions based on your Indian Vedic astrology, but you can take this particular weekly horoscope according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant sign, as well as your rising sign. But this weekly forecast have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction, purely based on Indian Vedic astrology, purely based on moon sign, purely based on ascendant sign as well. So you can take either you pick your moon sign or your ascendant sign, follow it according to that. Going to talk about Taurus. Taurus this coming week for you. Transit of moon for Taurus in 9th house, 29th August till 1st of September. When the moon is transiting in 9th house, you'll come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in 9th house. Transit of moon in 9th house. When the moon is transit 9th house, this time period, may I say this particular period, you have to work really hard, more hard than usual, in order to achieve your accomplishment or goal. Health need attention. You become susceptible to a lot of health problems regarding stomach or regarding breathing or chest when the moon is transit in 9th house. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you may also suffer from lack of sleep. Mentally you feel tired, exhausted, become lethargic. When the moon is transit in 9th house, this particular bring along, may I say that you'll perform a lot of religious work, charitable work, spiritual work, and you'll be participating in a lot of charity related work, yes, and you'll create a name fame through that, yes. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you're also likely to get a fame in society through charity work. When the moon is in 9th house, and may I say that financially can be a tough time. If you're thinking to move your money, start your new business, starting a new venture project, or sort out your inheritance, nothing will work out according to expectation. When the moon is transit in 9th house, you have to keep a close eye on your friends as well as your enemies. And you'll end up with a lot of arguments with people around you, personally and professionally. And last thing, you need a living conflict on your back. No. Hold on to your respect and honor in society when the moon is transiting in 9th house. By avoiding unnecessary conflict with anybody, mentally you will suffer from anxiety and feel overburdened sometime. And you have to be extra careful regarding your decision or choices, whatever you're making during this phase of time. The moon is transiting in 9th house. Be careful. Transit of moon for Taurus in 10th house, 1st September till 3rd September. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in 10th house. When the moon is transit in 10th house, this particular time period will also bring along fulfillment of desire, achievement of goal, attainment of comfort. Material gain, financial gain, if you're planning to start something new, this could be the time to do so. When the moon is transit in 10th house, this particular time period, assure your success in all your undertaking. When the moon is transit in 10th house, this period would also be favorable for you, for your family, generally be very happy and content. It's a good time in your workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, when the moon is transiting in 10th house, you may expect honor, promotion, appreciation at workplace. When the moon is transiting in 10th house, this period will bring along position of authority, accomplishment of your objective at workplace. Your respect in society is going to rise during this phase of time. If you're female, be cautious and avoid any conception related to trouble. This period will see you going through a lot of health issues, male or female health issues. Look after your health and well-being. You could also get a taste of very finest food. The moon is transiting in 10th house. Transit of moon in 11th house, 3rd September till 6th September. When the moon transiting in 11th house, you come across this kind of scenario situations. Transit of moon in 11th house. Transit of moon in 11th house. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this time period, generate financial gain. When the moon is transit in 11th house, this particular period help you to raise your income and gain riches. When the moon is transit in 11th house, if you are self-employed, you'll be able to see the reward of your hard work. When the moon is transit in 11th house, you may be able to see attain some stock of wealth to this phase of time. When the moon is transit 11th house, this particular brings you joy, happiness, good time with people, companions, friends, family reunion. Getting together with old friend is also likely to happen during this phase of time. The moon is transit in 11th house. Those who are married may expect a personal bliss. If you're eligible bachelor, you find a perfect match during this phase of time. This particular period also brings along opportunity for you to have a delicious food, enjoying comfort at home. Health will be fine. Mentally, you would also feel much more happy and relaxed during this particular time when the moon is transiting 11th house. In this coming week, Taurus, you must sort out your Mars, your Jupiter, your Rahu Ketu. Prevention of any kind of financial losses, professional losses, or decay in a flow of income, professional backing, relationship issues, family, peace of mind, happiness, harmony, and health. You must sort out your Mars, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu in this coming for your own best. And with the help of task precaution chanting, you can do the best. If you want a complete weekly horoscope report, then please do visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire your weekly horoscope report and implement the whole weekly horoscope report in your coming week. The forecast is there, precautions there, chanting is there, what should be done according to the task. Upai, implement it and achieve the best. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complications and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.